As the search for a missing Argentine submarine ramps up Thursday, the country's Navy says a sound consistent with an explosion was detected in the South Atlantic Ocean around the same time the vessel sent its last signal.
We received information of an abnormal, singular, short, violent, non-nuclear event that was consistent with an explosion.
The Navy captain said they have yet to determine the cause of the so-called explosion or whether the ARA San Juan with 44 crew on board could have been attacked on November 15th. The Navy received their information from the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty Organization, which runs monitoring stations for secret atomic blasts. Although the agency was more guarded on the cause, saying it detected a, quote, unusual signal underwater last week. This comes amid growing concerns that the submarine could be near the last of its 7-day oxygen supply. And relatives of crew members are worried, gathering at the Mar del Plata naval base where the search is being coordinated. The submarine was en route to Mar del Plata when it reported an electrical malfunction shortly before disappearing last week, prompting a massive search effort in a race against the clock.